baby. You.
What are you doing?
Hello. Hi there.
I'm gonna take him back to his cage.
Not yet.
Yeah.
He's having a good time, Tim. Leave him alone.
No, he's not. Cute.
Do it. He's trying to come after me, huh? You want to try? You want to try and beat me up, Hubert? I'll stay over here. You're like a big baby. He fished me out, didn't he? We all know the power of the beak. What else do you have to say, Q? I'm running away from you? Aw, you're a big baby. Bird. Why am I running from you? Because you just tried to attack me a few minutes ago. Remember? Get out of here. What was that? I thought you were a baby.
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, Peanut. Come on.
What are you doing?
Come on, Peanut. Jump. Come on. Come on, Peanut.
I'll fuck you up.
Come on, Peanut. I'm gonna put him away.
Hold this for a second, Tim.
No, I got water in my hands. Come here. Come here.
He doesn't want to go yet. Ah!
Come here.
Peanut, go say hi to Q-Bird. Q-Bird's a big baby, huh? Tries to beat up on people. Are you gonna go waddle over there to your cage? Hi, Q-Bird. Hi, Q-Bird. Oh, Timbo, hurry up. Suki's coming.
Come on, get on.
Get on, Q-Bird. You better hurry. Get on. The big old dog's coming. Get on. Hurry up, Q-Bird.
Q, get on. Get on. Come on. Come on. Get on. Go to your cage then. Go. Come on, go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Get away.
He said I thought you were a baby.